Good afternoon, class, and welcome back to Miss Galloway's science class. Today we'll be studying the functions of the plant cell parts. What is a plant cell? A plant cell is the basic unit of life in plants, responsible for conducting all the necessary functions for plant growth and survival. They are eukaryotic cells, meaning they have a nucleus and a membrane bound organelle. The key features of a plant cell are the cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, large central vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and these are the key parts to the plant cell. Cell wall is a rigid outer layer made of cellulose, providing structural supports and protection to the cell. The function of the cell wall maintains cell shape and prevents excessive water uptake. Cell membrane, a thin semi-permeable barrier that regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm, gel-like substance that fills the cell where most cellular processes occur. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, containing DNA organized into chromosomes. The large central vacuole is a large fluid-filled sac that stores water, nutrients, and waste products. Chloroplast, green, plant-specific organelles that contain chlorophyll where photosynthesis occurs. Now let's review some of the key cell parts again. We have the cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, large central vacuole, and the chloroplast. So, what is a plant cell? Correct. A plant cell is the basic unit of life in plants, responsible for conducting all the necessary functions for plant growth and survival. Alright, what is a cell wall? Correct. It is a rigid outer layer made of cellulose, providing structural support and protection to the cell. Alright, let's continue to learn the key features of a plant cell. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell, producing energy through cellular respiration. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes involved in protein synthesis and transport. The Golgi apparatus is flattened sacs that package and distribute proteins and other molecules. So again, let's review the key features in the plant cell. We have the cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, large central vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. What is known as the powerhouse of the cell and producing energy? Correct, it is mitochondria. Let's learn some key differences between the plant cell and the animal cells. Cell walls are in the plant cells that they have a rigid cell wall, while animal cells do not. Chloroplast. Plant cells contain chloroplast for photosynthesis, which animal cells lack. The large central vacuole. Plant cells have a large central vacuole, which animal cells have smaller vacuoles. Plant cells are surrounded by a cell wall. Plant cells have a large central vacuole. Plant cells have chloroplasts, which are the organelles of photosynthesis. The cell wall surrounds the cell membrane but does not keep substances from entering or leaving the cell. Cell walls, which are not organelles, are found outside of the cell membrane of all cells except animal cells. Cell walls in plants are made of a carbohydrate called cellulose. When you eat this, it is called fiber. Plant cells have a large central vacuole that holds water as well as nutrients and waste products. Chloroplasts are only found in organisms that perform photosynthesis, such as plants and plant-like products. Again, these are your guided notes for identifying function of plant cell parts.